Buying a rolling TV stand seems simple, until you realize most of them wobble, can't handle real weight, or fall apart after a few moves. What the product pages won't tell you is how flimsy the wheels really are or whether that universal mount actually fits your TV. Today, we're cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually roll. Product number 1: PERLESMITH Basic Rolling Cart. This PERLESMITH PSTVMC04 is one of the most popular budget rolling TV stands out there, and for good reason. At just over $50, it supports TVs from 23 to 60 inches and holds up to 55 pounds, perfect for smaller to mid-sized screens. The height-adjustable shelf is great for holding a soundbar or streaming device, and the locking wheels give you solid stability when you need it. It's also compatible with curved TVs, which not every cart can say. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of drilling holes in your wall or landlord won't let you mount anything, this gives you full mobility without permanent damage. You can roll your TV from the living room to the kitchen during dinner prep or take it outdoors on a nice day. Over 6,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells me it's filling a real need. The VESA compatibility goes up to 400x400, so it fits most mainstream brands like Samsung and LG. Now, some people complained about the base feeling a bit narrow, especially with larger TVs. Here's the thing though, if you're using a 50-inch or smaller screen, it's perfectly stable. But if you plan on going bigger than 55 inches, you might notice a little wobble when moving it. That said, for the price and function, it's still a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-frills rolling stand for everyday home use. Skip this one if you have a heavy 65-inch TV or need tilt functionality. For under $60, it delivers exactly what it promises. Product number 2: PERLESMITH Tilt Upgrade. Now, if that last PERLESMITH model felt too basic, this PSTVMC06 version adds a key upgrade: 15 degrees of tilt. Priced around $64, it's still budget-friendly but gives you way more control over your viewing angle. It also bumps the weight capacity to 88 pounds, making it better suited for heavier mid-sized TVs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Glare isn't just annoying, it strains your eyes over time. Being able to adjust the screen angle by 15 degrees lets you find that sweet spot where reflections disappear without having to reposition your whole couch. The wheels are made of quiet PU material, so they won't scratch hardwood or make noise on tile. And like the previous model, it includes cable management and a sturdy media shelf. With over 3,000 recent sales, it's clear people are choosing this for the added flexibility. Now, some buyers mention the tilt mechanism can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, once you set it to your preferred angle, it stays put thanks to the safety screw lock. It's not meant for constant readjustment, but for finding one ideal position and leaving it there. If you're someone who likes to tweak angles often, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you deal with window glare or want a bit more ergonomic control. Skip this one if you don't care about tilt and want to save $12. For the extra functionality, it's worth the small price bump. Product number 3: BONTEC Compact Tilt Stand. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tight spaces. The BONTEC Mobile TV stand comes in at just $51, making it the cheapest tilt-enabled model here, and supports the same 88-pound weight limit as the pricier PERLESMITH. That's huge if you're in a small apartment or studio where every inch counts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most rolling stands stick out far behind the TV, eating up floor space. This one minimizes that footprint while still giving you 10 degrees of tilt and full 360-degree wheel rotation. The integrated cable management keeps things clean, and the adjustable shelf fits consoles or routers easily. It's compatible with all major TV brands and handles VESA patterns up to 400x400. Over 1,000 recent buyers chose this for its space-saving design. Now, some users reported the wheels aren't as smooth on thick carpet. Here's the thing though, on hardwood or tile, they glide effortlessly and the locks hold firm. If you're mostly on carpet, you might need to lift slightly when turning, but it's not a deal breaker unless you're moving it constantly across shag rugs. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space and need mobility without clutter. Skip this one if you have thick carpet and move the TV multiple times a day. For under $55, it's a smart, minimalist choice. Product number 4, Perligear Heavy Duty Beast. Now we're stepping into premium territory. The Perligear PG-TVMC-051 costs $167, over 3 times the price of the BONTEC, but it's built for serious use. It supports massive 82-inch TVs up to 100 pounds and goes all the way to VESA 600x400, which covers even high-end Samsung and LG models. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've invested in a large OLED or QLED TV, you don't want a flimsy stand risking damage. This thing feels like commercial-grade equipment, the kind you'd see in conference rooms or hotels. The height adjusts from 39 to 59 inches, and the shelf can be positioned anywhere between 12 and 33 inches. Plus, it comes with a detailed installation guide and US-based customer support, which is rare at this level. Now, some people said it's overkill for home use. Here's the thing though, if you host movie nights, game sessions, or need to move your TV between rooms regularly, the durability and range justify the cost. But if you only move your TV once a year, you're paying for features you won't use. This is perfect for you if you have a large, expensive TV and want maximum protection and flexibility. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a TV under 55 inches. It's pricey, but built to last. Product number 5, PERLESMITH Large Screen Pro. Finally, the PERLESMITH PS-TVMC-03 strikes a balance between the budget models and the Perligear Beast. At $116, it handles TVs up to 83 inches and 110 pounds, making it ideal for 65 to 75-inch screens, and includes 15 degrees of tilt plus 7 height settings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want professional-level mobility without breaking the bank, this delivers. The tilt range -15 degrees to +5 degrees helps reduce neck strain whether you're sitting low on a couch or standing in a kitchen. The ventilated shelf keeps devices cool and cable routing is clean and hidden. With only 500 recent sales, it's less popular but highly capable. Now some buyers noted the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, once you get past the first setup, which takes about 30 minutes, it's rock solid. The hardware is all included and the frame uses cold-rolled steel for long-term durability. This is perfect for you if you have a large TV and want tilt, height adjustment, and portability without going full commercial. Skip this one if you're under 55 inches or hate assembling furniture. For the features, it's a strong mid-range winner. So which rolling TV stand should you buy? If you're on a tight budget and have a smaller TV, go with the basic PERLESMITH. Need tilt without spending much? The BONTEC is your best bet. For large, heavy TVs, the Perligear is unbeatable, but if that's too pricey, the larger PERLESMITH PS-TVMC-03 offers great value. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the worst, and the most expensive isn't always necessary. Pick based on your TV size, floor type, and how often you'll move it.